Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start SST class. You can take out your SST book chapter 8 part 1. So you can see in chapter 8 page number 54. In page number 54 you can see festivals of India. Today we are going to learn about festivals of India. People used to celebrate so many festivals like national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals and other festivals. So now we are going to learn. A festival is a special occasions of celebrations and feasting. So festival is a special occasions that we used to celebrate. People wear new clothes on festival. They sing and dance, pray and worship. In festival they used to dance, they used to pray, or they used to sing a song. They also decorate their homes, visit their friends and families with gifts, make special foods and sweets. So on festival people used to decorate their house like Diwali. In Diwali people used to decorate their house and they used to go other house, relatives house, and festival play an important role in bringing unity of diversity. So festival is an important role. In festival those who lives in other place, they used to come and they used to visit on that day. So festival is an important role. Festival plays an important role. So they teach us to live in harmony. Many religious and harvest festivals are celebrated all over the country. So many religious and harvest festivals are celebrated all over the country. These festivals are celebrated in all over the country. Okay. Now national festivals are important day in the history of a country. So national festivals is an important day in the history of a country, like Independence Day, Republic Day, we used to celebrate as a national festival. All over the India, people used to celebrate these national festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated as special prayers to gods and goddess. So religious festival, people used to pray on that festival. People used to pray, people used to dance, people used to sing a song. So harvest festival are based on the changes in the season. Harvest festival means people, when season change, month by month, people used to celebrate like a harvest festival, like Makar Sankranti on January. People used to celebrate on January, the month of the January, people used to celebrate Makar Sankranti. So now we are going to learn about national festival. The whole nations come together to celebrate a national festival. So the whole nations come together to celebrate national festivals. Like national festival honor great historical events in our country. We are filled with a strong feeling of patriotism on this occasion. Like we feel proud because we are Indians. So in India people used to celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day. On that day people used to feel proud. Independence Day, 15 August is celebrated as Independence Day every year. On this day, India got freedom from the British. So why we celebrate 15th August? Because in 15th August on 1947, India got freedom from British. That's why we used to celebrate Independence Day. A grand function is held at the Red Fort. So in Delhi, Red Fort, when you will go in Red Fort in 15th August, there are so grand celebrations of Independence Day. You can see the pictures also, Red Fort. Now in next page number 55, in Delhi on this day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag and address the nation. So on 15th August, Prime Minister hoists the national flag. Now people pay homage respect to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives for freedom at India Gate, Rajpath, New Delhi. So people homage respect to brave the soldiers. So people also, they give respect to the soldiers on that day. So whenever you go on Delhi, New Delhi, Rajpath, you can see there are some soldiers, they used to celebrate, they used to march on the road. You can see in 15 August means why we celebrate 15 August? Because in 15 August in 1947, India get freedom from British rule. So we are Indians, that's why we celebrate 15th August. Now, Republic Day. Why we celebrate Republic Day? Now we are going to learn. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day every year. On this day, India became a republic in 1950. So, in 26th January is celebrated as a Republic Day. 26th January in school also we used to celebrate Republic Day. On this day, India became a republic in 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. So, how Independence Day celebrate? Grand parade on Rajpath. That's how Republic Day also same as Independence Day and Republic Day same they celebrate. But in Rajpath in Delhi, this day soldiers of Army, Air Forces and Navy marched down. Rajpath school children and folk dancers from different states of India take part in it. So, there are soldiers, there are dancers, there are students, they used to celebrate on that day. Okay, now school children and folk dancers from different states of India take a part in it. On that parade, so there are different states, there are different places, from different places they used to come and they used to be a part of that parade. Okay, now beautiful tableaus from every state also take part in it parade. The president gives award. So there are two differences. In Independence Day, Prime Minister holds the flag, but in Republic Day, the President gives award to the brave soldiers. So, Presidents used to give a award. Who deserve that award? President used to give the award. Who have discussed themselves. He also honors brave children with a bravery award. So, President used to give a bravery award to the children also. Now, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is also a national festival. The British anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Every year, a prayer meeting is held at this Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. So, as we all know, Gandhi Samadhi is in Rajghat in New Delhi. Okay, whenever you want to go, you can visit this place. Now, religious or festival. So, there are so many religious festivals like Christmas, Dasera, Diwali, Holi. So, now we are going to learn. Holi is celebrated at the onset of spring in February. So, February or March. In the season of February or March, people used to celebrate Holi. Holi is the colorful celebration. It is called the Festival of Colors. The celebrations begins with bonfire on the first day. So, on the first day, people used to bonfire. There will be bonfire first day. On the second day, people get together and play with colors called gulal. So, first day they used to bonfire, and second day they used to get together and they used to color each other. So, it is called gulal. Children use water guns called pichkaris. Crops like wheat, gram and mustard are ready for harvest. So, crops, wheat, gram and mustard are ready for harvest. So, this is the festival Holi, how we celebrate Holi. People used to get together on that day and people used to color each other. Okay. Now, we are going to learn Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami is celebrated in the beginning of the spring season. So, in the spring season, beginning of spring season, Basant Panchami is celebrated. People fly kites this day and worship goddess Saraswati. So, Saraswati. People used to worship goddess Saraswati on Basant Panchami. People used to fly kites also. Dasera, how we celebrate Dasera? Dasera falls in September or October in some parts of India. Dasera is also called Vijay Dasami. Dasera को क्या भी बोला जाता है? We call the Dashami, Vijay Dasami. Vijay means victory and Dasami means 10th day. So Vijay means victory, जो जीत कर आया है, and Dasami means 10 days. It is believed that on this day Lord Rama defeated Ravan, the 10-headed demon king of Lanka. On Dasera, on that day, Lord Rama fight and he won the fight. That's why he won the fight with Ravan, 10-headed Ravan, on the Lanka, demon king of Lanka. The incident in the life of Lord Ram are enacted during Ram Leela on the day of Dasera. Huge effigy of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakarna and son Meghanand are burned. So they used to burn Ravan's brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghanand are burned. People in West Bengal celebrate Dasera as the last day of Durga Puja. So in West Bengal, people used to celebrate Dasera at the last day of Durga Puja. These days is dedicated to goddess Durga. So on this day, people used to pray, people used to worship goddess Durga. During the celebration, people collect in a pandal, they sing, dance and eat together. So people make huge पंडाल, बहुत बड़ा पंडाल बनाता है उस दिन. उसके बाद next day they used to pray for a goddess Durga. Diwali or the festival of lights. Now we are going to learn Diwali. Diwali or the festivals of light. Diwali, how we celebrate Diwali? We used to decorate our house with lights. In the most parts of the country, in October or November, it is believed that on this day, Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman returns after 14 years of exile. So, we all know Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman returned on that day. After 14 years, they returned. People clean and decorate their house, light diyas, visit relatives and exchange sweets and gifts. So, why we celebrate Diwali? Why we decorate our house? Because on that day, Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman returned after 14 years. Okay. Now, they worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh also. Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr is celebrated after the month of Ramzan, the month of fasting. So, Eid-ul-Fitr is celebrated after the month of Ramzan. After the month of Ramzan, Muslim used to celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr. Those who are Muslim, they celebrate Ramzan, Eid, and in Hindu, we used to celebrate Dasera, Diwali. Okay, now, special sweets are prepared. People wear new clothes and offer a special prayer, namaz. So, in Ramzan, they used to pray God, like we have a God, like the Lord, Goddess Durga, Goddess Lakshmi. So, people in Muslims also they have a God. So, they used to pray namaz. They have the book, so we call namaz. In masjid, they visit their friends and relatives and greet each other Eid Mubarak. So, they visit their friends and their relatives come in masjid. They used to say Eid Mubarak. Okay. Now, in next page, Harvest Festival. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in January. It is the harvest festival. People pray to the sun, God, on this day. So, Makar Sankranti, this is a harvest festival, seasons festival. In January, people used to celebrate Makar Sankranti. In a harvest, people pray to the sun, God on this day. So, sun को वो लोग पूजा करते हैं. Makar Sankranti is called Pongal also. So, पोंगल, मकर संक्रांति को क्या भी बोला जाता है? पोंगल in South India and Lori in North India. There are different names in different places. In South India, people used to call Pongal, and in North India, people used to call Lori. It is celebrated for 3 days in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, people used to celebrate 3 days Makar Sankranti. Bullfights are held during these times. In Gujarat, in Tamil Nadu, there are bullfights are held in these times. And in Gujarat, how they celebrate? It is celebrated by flying colorful kites. So, in Makar Sankranti, in Gujarat, people used to fly colorful kites. Now, Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. So, Baisakhi is also the harvest festival of Punjab. South India, used to people celebrate Pongal, North India, Lori, and in Punjab, Baisakhi, people used to celebrate. It is celebrated in April. Now, January, people used to celebrate Makar Sankranti, and in April, people used to celebrate Baisakhi. People eat langar in Gurudwaras. They perform Bangara and Gidda dance. Baisakhi coincides with Bihu, the harvest festival of Assam. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab, and Bihu and Baisakhi consist the harvest festival of Assam. There are different places and there are different religions. Now, Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. King Mahabali in Kerala. Onam is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali in Kerala. So, they welcome, in Kerala, they used to welcome King Mahabali. It is also a harvest festival. It is celebrated in August or September. I have told you already, there are season-wise festivals. So, month-wise festival, August or September, people used to celebrate Onam. Get together and eat food on bananas leaves. Snake boat races are held. On that day, they race snake boat also. Elephants are decorated and paraded on the street. On that day, elephant also decorated. People used to decorate elephants also. Now, other festival like Guru Nanak Jayanti is the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev, the first Sikh Guru and the founder of Sikhism. So, Sikhism is the Sikh Guru and the founder of Sikhism. Guru Nanak Dev is the founder of Sikhism. Guru Nanak birthday falls in November, birth anniversary of all 10 Sikh Gurus. So, on that day, Guru Nanak's birth falls in November. So, people used to celebrate, Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purab. So, Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purab, usko Guru Purab bhi bola jata hai. People sing and eat langar in Gurudwaras on these days and take out of processions. Mahavir Jayanti. Now, Mahavir Jayanti. On Guru Nanak, people used to eat, people used to celebrate, people used to get together like Dasera, Diwali. There are same festivals and they used to celebrate like this. Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti, the birthday of Lord Mahavir and Buddha Purnima. The birthday of Gautam Buddha are celebrated with great zeal. So, Mahavir Jayanti, the birthday of Lord Mahavir and Buddha Purnima. So, Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima are in same date, same season. So, the people used to celebrate in a great zeal. Okay. Now, Christmas. How we celebrate Christmas? Christian used to celebrate Christmas festival. You can see this. Christmas is the celebrations. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December all over the world. So, in all over the world like Singapore, Hong Kong, they used to celebrate 25th December as a Christmas. On that day, Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity, was born in the stable on this day. People decorate the Christmas tree. Special food is cooked, gifts are exchanged, Christmas music and songs called carols. So, Christmas, why we celebrate Christmas? Because on that day Lord Jesus Christ was born. Jesus Christ was born. So people used to celebrate as a Christmas. On that day people used to sing, dance, and that we call carols. A song, children wait for a Santa Claus. On that day Christians used to make a Santa Claus and they used to give a gifts for children and distribute a gift to them. People wish Merry Christmas to one another. So on that day people used to wish as a Merry Christmas. The birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishna is celebrated as a Teacher's Day. Why we celebrate Teacher's Day? Because on that day Dr. Radhakrishna was born. That's why we celebrate Teacher's Day. On 5th September, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November. We celebrate many other festivals such as Good Fridays, Easter, Navratri, etc. in India. All festivals teach us to live together with unity and harmony. Why we celebrate festival? Because these festivals teach us how we get together, how we live together. So we have to celebrate our festivals like this, like Dasera, Diwali. Our relatives comes at home and we used to give gift to each other. We used to pray for a God. So that's why these festivals teach us to how to live together, how to be a unity with each other. So festivals is also important, plays an important role in our life. So for today we have finished the chapter. Tomorrow we will do question answer. For today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.